Hello, Earth sign. So, ito ay reading para sa'yo, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Take only what resonates. By the way, sorry about, hindi ako masyadong nakaka-reading ng mga nakaraan kasi masyado akong busy. Pina-priority ko yung mga nakapag-pabook sa akin ng personal reading. Kung gusto mo makaranas, open pa, no? Hanggang end of August 2024. Mag-message ka na lang sa virgophilippines@gmail.com. Hintayin mo na lang yung reply. Kasi medyo marami pong nagme-message and medyo hindi pa ako makakommit sa pagre-reply hanggat hindi ko natatapos yung mga nakapila na, yung mga nauna na. And actually, nabalik na yung aking schedule. So, medyo isa pa yon sa nakakadagdag. Pero magko-commit ako doon sa sinabi kong until end of August ako tatanggap ng personal reading. And then sa susunod, medyo hindi ko pa masabi. Kung tumanggap man ako, maybe siguro hindi na siya naka-promo. Anyway, what do we have here for Earth sign? Pa-comment na lang dyan guys. Kahit po heart lang, smileys, malaking bagay sa akin yon. Great fortune, false person, and expectation. Kunin ko na rin yung energy ng person na kakonect mo. This is love reading, by the way. Pwedeng magkapalit-palit ang roles, of course. Depende sa nangyayari sa sitwasyon mo. Main, female. Anong sign to? Earth sign. Yeah. Bottom of the deck is a journey. Yan. You could be dealing with someone who is away or malayo sa'yo. Or pwedeng matagal na kayo hindi nakita. Ganun. Pwedeng halimbawa kung nandito man siya sa sa Philippines, kung nasaan ka, pwedeng matagal na yung last na pagkikita ninyo. So, pwedeng you do have your great fortune, false person, expectation. Pwedeng may mga bagay kang hindi masabi dito sa person na to, or you're not being honest with him or with her. And pwedeng sa ngayon, you're focusing on your finances, on your money. Yung iba sa inyo pwedeng, I don't know, some kind of investment might be. Or, with the main female right here, pwedeng your person is like, I don't know, this is showing to me as a friend, best friend kind of energy. And with the official person, pwedeng, this is someone na pwedeng, nagbibigay ng mga advices sa'yo. Kaya, like, this could be a person talaga na pwedeng hindi lang siya basta a person, but he or she could be someone na nagbabalance sa energy mo. Especially if you're dealing with a Libra, because, a Libra is like a balancing scale yung kanyang pinaka-symbol eh. Marami tayong nakikita ditong number 2. 222, ayan. And meron tayo ditong 22, tapos yung yung number 2. Ay, hindi pala 22. 2. Ayan, meron. Tapos 6 with the 26, nandito yung 6 and then 8 and 8. So, yung mga numbers na nagpapakita sa akin is a balanced number. And also at the bottom of the deck, meron tayo ditong journey, which is also a balanced number. It's number 10. So, nakakita tayo dito ng balancing energy sa inyong dalawa. You could be dealing with the person who, nagkakaroon ng mga balance na energy sa inyo. You could also be dealing with someone na pwedeng pareho kayo, marami kayong similarities because nakakita tayo dito ng yin and yang. So, yan. Pwedeng balance nga eh. I don't know, some of you pwedeng ikaw yung nasa emotional side and then this person could be the one na hindi emotional, and it balance the energy na rin as well. Kasi kung pareho kayong emotional na tao, parang hindi pwede eh. Hindi magmamatch, hindi okay. And then, kung pareho naman kayong parang cold, hindi rin balance. But I feel like you're really thinking about this person right now. And pwedeng may mga hindi ka nga nasasabi or maybe messages na hindi sinasagot sa kanya. You try your best not to answer these questions or pwedeng hindi ka lang nagiging honest sa taong ito. Pag-usapan natin yung mga emotion ninyo sa isa't isa. For Earth sign, please, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. You do have your pride, change, and freedom, abundance is here. This is actually color red, no? Which is, it looks like love for me. Kasi the color red is like, it symbols like the heart. Yung color ng heart is red. So, it feels like yung emotion mo para dito sa person na to is you do love this person. Pwedeng in the past, mataas ang pride mo pagdating sa emotion mo or pagdating sa taong to. Pero nabago lahat with the change right here and you do have here the freedom. Pwedeng nagkaroon ka ng openness with regards sa iyong emotions, with the abundance, especially kung ikaw ito na naging okay yung iyong finances, pwedeng nagkaroon ka ng abundance or with the with the 26 right here, pwedeng nagkaroon ng development with regards to yourself, with regards to your money, and pwedeng ito nagkaroon ng strength sa'yo para sabihin yung emotions mo towards this person. So, ano naman yung emotions ng taong ito towards you, emotions niya para sa'yo? You do have your indecision. Okay. Relationship. So, yung indecision, actually, it's also number 2 sa tarot deck, yung usual tarot deck. And it's number 2 and it's the 2 of swords. So, you could be dealing with the Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Or if not, yeah, we do have a relationship. Nagpapakita rin ito sa akin as a 2 of cups. And self-esteem and courage is here. So, meron tayong nakikita dito mga color, like color violet and yellow. Bottom of the deck is also dalawang violet and, yellow, followed by another yellow and a violet. Puro violet, guys, sa side ng person mo. Ayan, o. Puro violet and yellow. So, I don't know if you have, connection sa inyong dalawa wherein yung something to do with violet or yellow. So, pwedeng one of you is showing us like pwedeng favorite tong isa is violet and the other one's favorite is yellow. Kung hindi man usually ang gamit mo or ikaw ay surrounded by mga bagay or gamit na may kinalaman sa color violet, and then yung person na ito is maybe there's this last time na pag-uusap ninyo pwede may kinalaman sa color yellow, maybe bumili siya ng yellow na motor, bumili siya ng or maybe nabanggit niya na ang sinuot niya last time is color yellow, or maybe something na malapit sa yellow like tan or tangerine, ganun. Or maybe may kinalaman sa color yellow like a mango. So, pwedeng ganun na. Something to do with that color. Okay? Pwedeng minsan yun ang napag-usapan yung mga colors na yun. But, okay lang kahit hindi. Okay lang kahit hindi. Yun lang yung nakikita nating sign dito. Actually, it match. Kasi pag pinagdikit mo naman talaga yung yellow and violet, it match naman talaga Magi-stand out si color yellow and magi-stand out din si color violet at the same time. It's like dark and bright color pag pinagsama mo. Bagay. So, maybe there's this energy between the two of you wherein parang bagay kayong dalawa. Courage is here. So, This is showing to me as pwedeng ang emotion sa'yo ng person mo is like, pakiramdam niya bagay kayo, pakiramdam niya marami kayong pagkakapareho, lalo na with the indecision. This is showing to me as number 2 kasi sa tarot deck. Number 2 and number 2. So, pwedeng lalo na sa usaping pera or usaping stability, no? Pwedeng marami kayong pagkakapareho nitong taong ito. And this person is finding its strength, no? Feeling niya yung connection ninyo magtutuloy-tuloy kung magkakaroon siya ng lakas ng loob sabihin sa'yo. You do have your honesty, so maybe regarding sa kung ano yung totoo sa emotion niya. Dahil might be, hindi niya mabanggit yun eh. Okay? Like for example, I'm seeing ngayon habang nagsasalita ko, ang nakikita ko is like a judge. Alam mo yon sa hukuman. Si judge kasi hindi siya pwede mag-decide agad. Sabihin agad yung nasa isip niya. Although, alam niya na yung judgment or pwedeng alam niya na kung ano yung dapat niyang gawin or sabihin. Pero hindi niya agad binubuka yung bibig niya. Hanggat hindi pa niya nakukuha yung mga dapat i-consider sa connection ninyo. So, pwedeng may mga kina-consider pa itong person na to before siya maging honest sa'yo. Pero alam niya na magtutuloy ito into a relationship eh. 'Di ba? Kasi, maybe you have passed something dito sa person na ito. Ano yon? The way I see this is that pwedeng may mga natanggap ka or nakita niya na, ay, kahit pala anong gawin ko, kahit anong mangyari sa connection namin, tanggap niya ako eh. So maybe, ito yung naramdaman or na-feel ng person mo sa connection ninyo na parang, hindi naman to the point na sinasabi ko may pagkatanga ka Pero kasi, maaaring may mga situation sa inyo na kung sa totoo lang pwede ka nang lumayo, umalis eh. And if this is a friend or a person na pwedeng malapit na sa'yo, lalo na, 'di ba? Kumbaga, nakita niya yung mga kapangitan sa akin, nakita niya lahat eh. Tapos hindi siya umalis. Or kung umalis ka man, bumalik ka rin. So that's the energy na parang na-feel niya, tanggap mo ko sa kung anong meron ako. Na parang hindi ko makikita sa iba yun. So this person is like, I just saw the name, the word dreams. So actually, pwedeng lumalabas ka din sa dreams or panaginip nitong person na to. Especially, may mga color violets nga. And the violet is showing to me like a dream. Like, the color of dream is like, for me, it's color violet. Tapos the yellow is like the sun. So pagkakagising sa isang panaginip. And then might be this person is having realizations sa kung ano yung mga connection mo dun sa panaginip niya. So might be na lumalabas ka rin sa panaginip niya, hindi lang siya open doon, but ngayon nagkakaroon siya ng realizations about doon. I like the message. So what will happen in the future for the both of you? For the both of you. Actually, nakalimutan ko na kung anong sign to eh. Wala. Actually, hindi na talaga. Hindi ko na maalala. Pero, continue na lang rin natin because ang importante laman is yung message. Ulyanin talaga ako guys ha. Ulyanin ako. Hindi ko na maaalis sa akin yung pagka-ulyanin talaga. And you do have the chemistry, codependency, and this could be the one. Oh, you could be dealing with the twin flame, a soulmate. Chemistry is a twin flame card, and you could be dealing with someone who is like a twin flame, a soulmate for you. Ngayon, this is your future, but I want to know the action kasi ng person na ito. So, let's ask kung ano yung magiging future action ng person na ito sa'yo. Kasi sa inyong dalawa, siya yung indecisive. Siya yung hindi makapag-take ng actions. So, maybe you're just waiting here. Stay optimistic about your love life, free yourself. And at the bottom of the deck, you do have your let go of control issues, and you do have your release your ex. Okay, inom lang ako, guys. Bottom of the deck is the let go of control issues. Let your friends help you. Okay. For what I can see here, may obsession in the near future para sa'yo. Like, ngayon pa nga lang, iniisip mo tong person na ito. Sumunod, iniisip mo na naman siya. And then, the next day, iniisip mo na naman siya. Like, in the near future, nagko-continue yung isip-isip na yun. By the way, sorry about the, ano ba to, gamo-gamo or like maliliit na insect na pumupunta sa aking table. Anyway, and in the future, I feel like, meron talaga mga gamo-gamo. Umulan po kasi eh. So, may mga gamo-gamo na maliliit. Yun. So, nakakakita tayo dito ng maybe in the future. Alam mo na eh, kung sino yung gusto mo, kailangan mo sa future mo. So, maybe you see this person as your soulmate, you see this person as your twin flame, nandun yung obsession mo, kakaisip dito sa person na to, nagtutuloy-tuloy. Why? Hindi mo mapigilan eh. Parang namamagnet ka dito sa person na ito. Like, ayaw mo siyang isipin, pero may something sa kanya na nakakapagpaisip sa'yo. Maybe he's supposed to be magiging busy ka, magwo-work ka or what, or maybe you will be busy pagdating sa home. Pero hindi mo magawa yun eh, kasi talagang may mga times, I mean, kahit busy ka, naiisip mo itong taong to, hindi mo mapigilan. So, nandun yung obsession in the near future para sa'yo. You know why? Kasi itong person na to, the problem with this person is that yung sarili niya, kalaban niya. Nakikita natin in the near future, with the free yourself, kailangan i-open up niya yung sarili niya sa iyo eh. Kailangan i-free niya yung sarili niya sa pag-iisip. But what I can see here is like a unicorn goat. So, unfortunately, wala pang ganun. Unicorn merong, kumbaga sa pag-aano natin, sa, I'm not saying na meron talagang unicorns. But what I'm saying is that wala pang nakaimbento ng tawag dun sa unicorn. Yung parang unicorn na parang it is showing as, for me, it's showing as a goat ngayon eh. Parang kambing. Wala pang nakakaimbento nun. No, nung gano'n. And wala pang myth na gano'n. So, for what I can see here, parang ang tingin ng person na ito, I can't open up myself. I cannot free myself kasi imposible yung connection. And then, yun yung thinking ng person na ito. So, kung ano yung action niya, I can see that maybe there's something na kailangan niya munang i-clear sa sarili niya, sa sarili niyang buhay, sa sarili niyang sitwasyon, wherein, pag natanggal niya na to or na-clear niya na ito, kung ano man ito, maybe this would bring a lot of clarity and pwedeng ito yung makapag-push sa person na ito na mag-open up. Katulad nga ng isang judge, no? Bago siya magdesisyon, kailangan nagkaroon muna siya ng clarity about sa situation, anong dapat gawin, 'di ba? And I can see a lot of conflict sa inyong dalawa. And I feel like with the let go control issue, so may mga bagay pang kailangan i-let go itong taong ito before siya mag-proceed into telling you itong kanyang hangarin. Pero nandun yung gusto niyang sabihin sa'yo, gusto niya maging honest sa'yo, gusto niya makipag-connect or communicate sa'yo, but, mas umiiral ngayon ang utak niya. Like, katulad nga ng isang judge. Utak muna ang gumagana bago ang bibig. Okay? And, you do have your let your friends help you, so, I'm seeing some kind of support here, so maybe this person wants to support you or to help you. So, kung may mga ganong situation na gusto ka niyang tulungan, hayaan mo siya ha. Kasi, and I mean, don't push this person away. Don't push this person away. Pag may connection sa inyo, tapos parang may something to do with pagtutulungan, halimbawa, nagsabi siya na, sige, okay lang naman, ganto ganyan, tulungan kita or what. May mga binanggit na ganon, like, you have to grab that opportunity. You have to grab that opportunity. And then, hayaan mo lang itong person na to. You don't have to push this connection, lalo na kung ito ay twin flame connection. Hindi mo kailangan i-push. Kailangan mo lang hayaan. And wag mo siyang layuan. Yun. So, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I love you all, guys. Sorry kung nakalimutan ko ang zodiac sign or ang kung ano itong nire-read ko, no? Nakalimutan ko na. But, I hope na nagustuhan mo yung reading, yung messages dito. And if you want to book a personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader, astrological reading, open pa hanggang hanggang end of August, no? Hintayin mo lang yung message ko. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.